What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy and in today's video, we're going shopping. We're gonna go to HomeGoods and we're gonna go to Target. So if you like these kinds of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell so that you never miss another shopping video with me or home decor video. This trip, I only got one thing that I'm gonna show you at the end of the video. So make sure you watch all the way through so you can see that item. But I have to say that I'm extremely picky when it comes to Target, when it comes to HomeGoods. I really do try to find pieces, like I always say on this channel, that really stick out to me, stand out to me, things that I love, or because you're gonna see later in the video that the bones are good and I might be able to make it my own. And that's exactly what I've done in this video. I always say this, I'm really big on looking at the piece for what it is instead of what color it is or things like that. Can you take off some, roping or anything like that? So make sure when you're out shopping that you kind of think outside of the box, look at the piece. Can you spray paint it? Can you do any of that? I used to go shopping with my sister all the time and she would say, I don't like it, it's that color. I'm like, think outside of the box because you can always change some of these items. And I did show you guys a couple of items throughout the video that can be spray painted or can be changed. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's go shopping. The first area that I hit up was the kitchen area because a lot of you guys know I'm sprucing up my kitchen, trying to get rid of the old stuff in there and get some nice new items. Now I didn't buy these, but I thought that they were a really good dupe for a vintage cutting board and I thought that they looked beautiful. The next thing I spotted was these Tommy Bahama food nets or food covers. And I wanted these so bad, but I literally have no need for them, no space for them. I don't really even have an outdoor space right now. And to be honest, I don't know who they're trying to fool because you could definitely a fly could get through that. However, I thought these were beautiful and that you could use them for maybe even outside lighting, use them as a basket light. I loved them and I definitely would say get them if you spot them. I always check out to see what all clad pans they have because Zach and I buy these. We love them. They're insanely expensive at, Williams Sonoma and places like that. But these pans are amazing. So I thought I would share them with you guys because I always check to see what they got. I feel like the runner section at HomeGoods is so underrated. I always love to check these out because you can find some Turkish inspired rugs for a lot less expensive. And usually I don't see a lot of people sharing these, but this one right here I loved and it was exactly like the large one I showed you guys before and I'm going to show you later in the video, but I wanted it so bad. Just like everyone else, I am a huge fan of HomeGoods rugs. They are just, you can't beat the price. I actually really loved this Turkish inspired rug it was so beautiful. It was just a little too colorful for me, but if that's your aesthetic, it was really good. And then this next one I loved so much, but again, I don't know, I couldn't justify the price for replacing a rug that I already have and love, but wow, it's stunning. I loved it so much. And then as I was flipping through, you guys know I loved this rug that you're gonna see right here in the last shop with me. And I was so excited to see it again and kind of thought it was a sign that I should take it home, but I didn't. I walked away, I left it behind again because again, I just didn't really think about replacing the ones that I currently have because I still love them. All right, next I spotted this very textured pot that I actually really loved. Didn't love the burnt orange color, but thought I could spray paint them and take them home. There's a couple different sizes and I really loved the modern shape, but then I spotted the pot that was right next to it. which this is the pot that you are going to see. Well, this isn't the exact one, but this is the pot that you're gonna see later on in the video that I spruced up and made my own. And the reason why is because you guys know I love those vintage clay pots, and this definitely gave me that vibe and thought I could do something cool with it. This wouldn't be a Brandy Jackson video if I didn't find something RH inspired to share with you guys. These were super heavy duty. They were on clearance. I thought they'd be really pretty on like a bookshelf or even outside. And if I had the space, you guys, I was so close. I wanted these. I was close. I was close to getting them. I always like to do one last walkthrough through all the baskets, all the rugs, everything, just to make sure I didn't miss anything. And this time, I didn't spot this right away, but I completely fell in love with this like tipped over vessel. I thought it was so beautiful. It was heavy as heck. And I just thought it was so pretty. Again, I just don't have any space for it. But if you had like a big space to put this in, it is perfect. All right, you guys, I went to Target, and let me just say, my Target didn't really have anything new, but I was definitely late to the party for the Casa Luna line, because at my Target, it was completely picked over. But for the few things that they did have, I can tell I'm gonna really like this line. I actually wanted to pick up a couple of the towels, but they were pretty much sold out. The only other thing that caught my attention were these desk lamps that definitely gave me RH vibes, and I haven't seen these before, but I really did like these. Okay, you guys, so I know that there wasn't a lot. This trip was a little bit of a dud for me. I was really hoping to find some things, but as I mentioned before, I live in a really small space, so I have to be extremely picky with what I get, with what I'm purchasing. So this trip, I didn't find much. However, I did find this. Okay, before I lose you, don't leave. You guys didn't think I was gonna keep it that color, did you? Nah, I know you didn't think so. All right, so I was actually extremely torn between the stone color or the black, like matte color. They're both actually a matte. So I painted a little bit on each side and took it to Instagram and had you guys help me out because I was honestly really torn. And a few of you guys said that the black looked like a witch's pot. So that's all I needed to hear to sell me on the stone color. And I am so glad I went with this color because it turned out so good. Okay, you guys, and here it is. It's so beautiful. Now, I know that DIYing or spray painting isn't going to be for all of you. However, if you don't mind grabbing a can of spray paint and making an item more of your own, go look in the garden section at HomeGoods for their pots and different items like that you might see throughout the store that really stand out to you. Can you throw some paint on it? Can you change it? Can you make it match your aesthetic more? And if so, girl, take that piece home because, I mean, come on. I took it from that to this. I know, so good, right? So good. But here's the thing, if you're not following me on Instagram, head over there, follow me on Instagram because you guys over on Instagram actually helped me choose the color of this pot. I was deciding between stone or black, and a lot of you guys said stone, and I'm so glad that I went with that color because it really helped to brighten up my space, lighten up my aesthetic, and it kind of, the texture is a little bit more matte, and it really gives it that clay, authentic look. So I'm extremely happy with the piece. And I can't wait to show you guys different ways how I style this in future videos. But for today, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be back here in a couple days with another. I love you guys.